So guys, I'm back with another video tutorial, and today I'll be telling you how you can use user properties and implement them in your experience. First I'll name the title, user properties. Then I'm going to click on select character. I'm going to add Walmart. This is going to be my character. I'm going to add another scene. Okay, now I'm going to write a description here. Hooray, you won a promo code. Here is your code. Make it anything you want. Most of the codes are in capital letters, random numbers. Redeem it now. Now I'm gonna click on add action and I'm gonna change it, do nothing to transition to scene. I'm gonna add the description for the section. Take me to Walmart. Okay, now I'm gonna add a new scene that will be a web view scene that will take me to Walmart. And let's move this out a bit. So I'm gonna click on this scene now. I'm gonna look for URL of the web, Walmart. Okay, so this is the URL of the Walmart, and I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna put this in the website URL, and now there you go. So the web view will load the Walmart website where you can redeem your code. I'm gonna click on this. I'm gonna change end experience to transition to scene, and I'm gonna add a new. Okay, so now I'm gonna write a description. Stay tuned for more promo code. Okay, now I'm gonna click on this. Transition to scene number 4. Now all these 4 scenes are linked together, and this is how it is supposed to. This is how it's gonna work. Okay, now we are gonna use 2 blocks. The one will be user property exist, and sorry, I clicked on test on my device. I'm gonna click on add new, and I'm gonna go into user properties. I'm gonna find user property exists. Okay, I'm gonna add another block, and that will be set user property. The user properties, this block will check if a property already exists, and it will take us to scene number 2 where it will say, will take us to, I'll explain this in the end. Okay, now I'm gonna click on add action, and I'm gonna change do nothing to end experience. So now the experience will end. Let's move these blocks. So I'm gonna click on the starter icon, and I'm gonna change it to transition to scene into transition to block, and I'm gonna link it with user property exists. I'm gonna click on user property, and I'm gonna enter my key. That will be, let's think of something, promotion. That will be promotion. And I'm gonna copy this, and now I'm gonna bring user properties. Okay, now I'm gonna click on user property again, and if a property exists, so if a property is existing or is supposed to exist, it will take me to scene number 2, and it will say you already had this, you already have claimed this offer, already have claimed this offer. I'm gonna scroll down a bit. I'm gonna click on this. I'll change transition. Okay, I'm gonna click on this. I'm gonna link on this. Now I'm gonna click on add action, and I'm gonna change it to end experience. The description for the action will be try again later. Later. Okay, now I'm gonna click on user property exist again. I'm gonna scroll down a bit, and I'm gonna change transition. When a property doesn't exist, I'm gonna change transition to scene into transition to block. I'm gonna select set user property. So now I'm gonna click on waiting it for to load. It isn't loading. I'll refresh the page. Okay, now I'm gonna put the key. This is the key I copied before, named promotion. I'm gonna paste it here. I'm gonna enter the value of it. So it's gonna be 0 since this will be your only first and last try. I'm gonna transition into scene number 1, and then later it will transition to. Okay, this is the scene number 1. I don't know why these have these red marks on them, but the test this is experience, and before it was working, so this will work now. So this is how you can use user properties, and now I'll be testing this on my device. And to test this on my device, I'll have to click on test on device, and okay, so now I'm gonna test this experience on my device. For that, I'll click on test on device, and I'll wait for the pop-up to appear on my device. So there's the pop-up. So here I have a promo code, so it will take me to Walmart to redeem that. So this is the Walmart website where you can redeem your promo code, and you can scroll it as much as you want. Now click on next, and this will end the experience for me. Now I will click on test on device again, and it will take me to another experience that will say there will be saying you already have claimed this offer. So now click on test on device. You already have claimed this offer, so this is working. I'll try again later, and this will end the experience. This is for today's tutorial about user properties, and I'll be viewing a couple more tutorials in a day or two. Bye for now.